What's going on, my good people? Welcome back to Play to Win with more than a coach, Mike Holmes here, where I focus on scholarship over emotionalism when dealing with each aspect of life. And today, I'm back with my lesson on energy and vibration, the Play to Win way, where the objective of the lesson is to have people start viewing life from the perspective of energy and vibration. And today, I'm going to be talking about vibration. And getting started, the definition of vibration is an instance of vibrating, and informally, vibration is defined as a person's emotional state, the atmosphere of a place, or the associations of an object as communicated and felt by others. The origin of vibrate comes from Latin, which is vibrare, which translated to Latin vibratio, which translated to the English word vibrate. And vibrate is defined as to move continuously and rapidly to and fro. It originated in Latin. Vibrare was translated to Latin vibrate, which means to move to and fro. And also it translated to the word vibrate, to give out light or sound as if by vibration, which was late Middle English. And like I say, to Play to Win way, we deal with the informal definition, which is a person's emotional state, because what I talk about is helping people become their best, highest, most amazing self. So I wanted to define emotion while talking about vibration. So emotion is defined as the natural instinctive state of mind deriving from one's circumstances, mood, or relationships with others. And the second definition is instinctive or intuitive feeling, as distinguished from reasoning and or knowledge. And also I wanted to define the word state. And state is defined as the particular condition that someone or something is in at a specific time. So, it's dealing with vibration, dealing with a person's, like say, emotional state, the state that they're in at a particular time. And this word originated in Latin with status, which just meant manner of standing or condition. And so moving on from the definition, and now that we're looking at it from the Play to Win way, like emotions, when the person is talking about vibrating, we're talking about like what emotional state that they're in. And so with that being said, this is something that I studied when I was actually pursuing my master's degree in counseling. A few years back, we had to deal with learn about the emotions. There's an emotional guidance scale. It shows the range of emotions that one has. So now we're going to deal with the energetic vibration scale. We're going to deal with the emotional scale, which I'll post pictures of, and then also you can do your own research with that as well. Then we're going to talk about the 4 states that one can be in. So continuing, the first thing I'm going to deal with is the energetic vibrational scale, and it talks about the energetic vibration. It helps you look at it. It really helps you gauge and notice where you are, and it actually helps you to start directing your energy towards higher, energetic vibrations. And so like the Play to Win way. But anyway, we're going to deal with the states. We're going to deal with the levels. And so the lowest level of energetic vibration is shame. The highest level goes to enlightenment. And so with me in a Play to Win way, I like to use the top 3. A lot of people always say that, love is the strongest, energy or emotion. But when you look at this energetic vibration scale, you see that it's not. Actually, enlightenment is, and then you have peace below that, and then joy. So the Play to Win way, I like to deal with enlightenment, peace, and joy. I like to deal with the, top 3 energetic vibrations. And like I say, there's nothing wrong with love, but like I say, with me doing the research and understanding that, just going by what people saying that love is the strongest, there's nothing stronger than love. And then with me actually being able to study and see it myself that it's not the highest, I choose to start with joy, peace, and enlightenment. So I'll put this chart up here, and you can look at that, and you can research it for yourself. Like I said, I just wanted to, introduce people to this, and so they can look at it for themselves and research it for themselves. And moving on, that's the energetic vibration scale. So now we have the emotional guidance scale that I want to talk about, and then I'll go more with these. So it goes from 1 to 22, and then you have what is called the upward spiral, and then we have the downward spiral of emotional guidance. And so I'm going to start with the downward spiral, which starts with number 8. And so number 8 on the emotional guidance scale starts with going downward, going into low emotions, is boredom, is number 8. Then it goes down to number 9, which is pessimism. Then 10 is frustration, irritation, and impatience. 11 is overwhelming. 12 is disappointment. 13 is doubt. 14, worry. 15 is blame. 16 is discouragement. 17 is anger. 18 is revenge. 19 is hatred and rage. 20 is jealousy. 21 is insecurity, guilt, unworthiness. And 22, the lowest, is fear, grief, depression, powerlessness, and being a victim. And so moving on to the upward spiral of emotional guidance is starting with number 7, which is contentment. Then you move up to 6, which is hopefulness. Number 5, optimism. Number 4, positive expectation and belief. Number 3 is enthusiasm. Number 2 is passion. And number 1 is joy, knowledge, empowerment, freedom, and appreciation. And so that's the emotional guidance scale. You can look them up and start studying and looking at them yourself, where you can gauge your own emotions and check your own emotions. And the last chart that I want to share with you all is what's called the levels of awareness. And there are 4 levels of awareness. So I basically say 4 states that one actually is in, you know what I'm saying? And so when you're in one of these states, then you can gauge your emotions. So the lowest level of awareness is ego, or egoic, how you want to say it, which is, in this level of awareness, people are controlled by the outside world. And then you move up to the logical level of awareness, which people become reactive to the outside world. And the third level is when one is spiritual. These people are free thinking and they're unconventional. And then the highest level of awareness is enlightened, which they're led by the higher self. I'm just introducing, like I said, I want people to be able to use their own brain, use their own, judgmental things.